Isa ka bang aspiring virtual assistant or a freelancer? Pero hanggang ngayon, nagtatanong ka pa rin how to become a freelancer or virtual assistant or how to work from home. Hi, my name is Zenith Zamudio and I'm giving free learning resources and free coaching na rin. Sa loob ng 10 taon, ito ang naisip ko para makatulong ako sa mga aspiring virtual assistant. Just check my bio, makikita mo doon ang YouTube channel ko. Naka-upload na doon ang Module 1 on how to become a virtual assistant. If you are aspiring virtual assistant or VA, kailangan ito ang mga i-consider mong key points, okay? Number 1, prepare your mindset. Stay motivated. Working as a virtual assistant, nagre-require ito ng self-discipline and positive attitude. Prepare ka dapat sa flexible yet demanding work environment. Kailangan mag-improve ka ng skills and knowledge mo. Kailangan open ka